Maybe you're looking for a home in the heart of Clermont. This home is on a golf course. It's definitely going to fit your needs, and I'm looking forward to hanging out with you, doing some golf. Beacon Ridge at Legends isn't just a neighborhood, it's a community built around connection, convenience, and true Florida living. Minutes from top-rated schools, parks, lakes, and everything Clermont has to offer. If 3823 Beacon Ridge Way feels like home, reach out today. My name is Nelson Cruz. I'm with MVP Home Group, brokered by Real Broker. Excited to connect with you about this property. Give me a call as soon as you can. Take care.